Hey guys, and I'm sorry to my subscribers and friends who might not like this video, but I promised somebody else that I would make a burping video. This is so freaking weird, and it might take me a couple of tries. But I can like open up my stomach, so I don't like even need a drink or anything. I can just like breathing. I can like breathe through my stomach, but obviously it doesn't help me breathe. I just gotta like open up the valve or whatever. I don't know, but we're gonna do this. Hang on, I gotta open it up, and I gotta breathe for real. Oh, that wasn't very good, and I left some in there. You should tell them. Oh my gosh, this is to the person who said I'm too well-mannered to burp. Okay, that one came out prematurely. Oh god, okay, they're not coming out right. They're like getting stuck. And I need to really breathe. And this keeps changing between orange and stuff. That's weird and annoying. Can y'all turn the light on right there? Thank you. Still orange. Whatever.
No, I'm not. I moved here from Maui to search for the treasure.
Can't do it while I'm turned. Okay. That's enough. I'm gonna hurt myself.